Can somebody shout karma? Hey, this karma came too fast, oh, very, very, very fast. So the news making wave on social media is that this Two-Face new girlfriend, Natasha Osawaru, has been removed as minority leader in Edo State. Hey! Hey! Nchaebela, Nchameru, Abomi, like, Choi! Let us now see why Two-Face moved on to her. Let us now see what will become Two-Face faith. Let us now see if this relationship will stand. Let us now see. Two-Face. Now, political position they find. Ngwano, Otilo. Let us see if he will still remain with her. And this came after this particular video trended yesterday. Natasha was seen with Two-Face children grooving and enjoying themselves in a boat ride. Some people said maybe, just maybe, in an old video, we should not involve the children. They don't know anything. Who knows what Two-Face told them? Maybe they felt na casual relationship or a colleague to their dad. Okay, oh, see Idibia's reaction, her write up. Nothing feels so good as sleeping and waking up with a breath of fresh air, not some alcoholic stench, and not waking up in between the middle of the night from trembling snores. Under the guise of love, you keep enduring and never complain because if you do, people shoot you with, you know, see am before you marry am. I'm free at last. Idibia gushes in the new wave of freedom she enjoys. I beg, continue enjoying your freedom. Oh, hey, you see this new face, you see this twist, Annie. No matter what Two-Face tells you, if he comes back to you, if he will allow his pride eh, to just day in day maintain low key, no go back. Yes, no go back, oh, because it don't be left over. I know say Natasha no small. Natasha, you see that lady, she's not small. But if Two-Face makes a U-turn tomorrow to return back to Idibia, maybe because his expectations they don't disappoint them. Annie, if she accepts this Two-Face back, she should not expect that he will change. If you see another big fish again, he will still jump and move on with the person. Now, netizens have been reacting. Internet just the buzz of the bubble. Hey. This person said, the babe self no small. Those of you running your mouth, she's just 32 and she's was not just a member but a minority leader. They play. Girl wey know wetin she dey do, na her family put, oya make your family put you, maybe Portable fit marry you too. Somebody else said, Nigerians, I see why this country will never move forward, and country full of emotions can never move forward because she's Natasha now. Nobody question why she was removed. Shaking my head. Democracy is intact because she's not the woman for Kogi. Two Baba won't like this news. Two Baba we wan use am clear in political compass. So a poor. She's still an honorable. It doesn't matter. Somebody else said, what goes around comes right back around. But why they removed others too? Why is hers? Okay, but they removed others too. Why is hers giving you people headache now? Now this picture una take deceive us. We go see person for video and we go dey ash. Where is the Natasha? Abeg, if you are just entering, pull your shoes outside before entering. I just mopped here. This is very good. They only relieved her of stress so she can concentrate on Two-Face. I think this would give her enough time to take good care of you know who allegedly. Whoa, wow, this is a shocker. Am I a bad person for liking this? Two Mama, why? Annie head strong, oh. Two-Face is about to face front. Somebody scream cover, wahala. I first look am say make Two-Face no end up like y'all because Annie no dey sleep based on steady prayer. Karma is a bitch. God doesn't like ugly. She can better face her idealistic career where they both swinging here and there like pendulums. Respectfully, of course. I don't understand this grammar. He say here and there like pendulums. Chai, some people get mouth too. You see one thing about Nigerians, if they mean you no go escape am. If they mean you, just pray, just pray, you keep doing you, and that your you are doing keeps excelling. Any bad luck or any gbasgbos dey go in fact na there you go know say they have been waiting for you for a long time. That person said, now go take care of our legend allegedly o, since all you've been doing is to drag him to any small meeting you go like a little tata. Allegedly a bigger politician has removed her. This comment maybe just maybe o, e fit be say na true o. This one wey Annie all of a sudden is following what's this girl's name again, Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko, and una know say Ned Nwoko na senator now, abi I dey lie? Abeg o, if I'm not correct, correct me in the comment section. All of a sudden we are seeing them together attending meetings and I know say Gistlover said Annie Idibia. If you check history, go back to Gistlover's story about Tuface and Annie Idibia, then you will know maybe just maybe. My own prayer is let power no begin dey change hands oh. That's my own. Another person said, I see person say her family put her yan rubbish. She thinks politics is child's play. Every time she's going to House of Assembly, she always be two-faced. As per na she be the first to snatch person husband or what. Even if the House of Assembly is a private business, there's time for everything. Anyways, make she go buy ring light, TikTok wey Asapo, since she likes creating content more. Annie go laugh them tire. Good news. You see this life, men be wise out there. Not all that glitter is good. Please take off Two Face. Abi, please take care of Two Babao. Maybe, just maybe, another big political position is waiting for her. Maybe, oh, who knows? It is well. Let's see how it goes. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gistlover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi and Ungwano. Bye.